Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download the Filmora 14 free trial on computer. And to do so, it's very simple. Just go to the search bar and here search for Filmora free trial. Free trial. Okay. Here click on the first link. It should be the filmora.wondershare.net link. There are other links, but they are fake websites. Don't get fooled for these. After that, go to buy now. So if you click on get started for free, it will give you the Filmora app, but you will have a watermark with Filmora on it. So just go on buy now, and here in this link, just go to the premium plan and go to buy now. Here, fill out the checkout form, so put your email and then fill in the payment information. So put the credit card number, the date, the CVV, etc., the cardholder name, and the billing informations. Then click on secure checkout, and you will have your money that will be taken off from your account after 30 days. As you can see here, there is a money back guarantee of 30 days. So you can start this trial and use the app for 30 days, and then like on the 29th day you can just cancel the subscription and you will use the app for free basically for a month. So yeah, basically that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.